Hey guys, so I got some white filament stuck in my Bambu Lab's AMS, and I'm going to use this as an opportunity to show you how to unclog it. First, before anything, make sure your printer is turned off. Next, you're just going to want to take all of your spools out of the AMS. Then, if you have extra desiccant holders, make sure to take all those out because we're essentially going to flip the tray on its side. Use an Allen key to unscrew the two back screws. And sometimes it's a little bit hard to find them, but you'll get there. Next, you're going to want to pull down on this plunger, and that's going to release the tube in the back. So you can't see me do it with one hand, but pull the plunger down and just pull the tube out. All right, this one, I don't know if it's just mine or all of them, but you kind of have to bend the plunger back a little bit to get the tray to pop up, but do not pull it out. It is still attached electronically to the casing, and you can see all of the tubes. So what we're going to want to hit is that last tube right there, and it's the same exact thing as the plunger. You just want to pull the black part into the socket while pulling the tube out of the socket. And 9 times out of 10, the filament will be in between those and you can just pull it out. But if it's not and it's stuck in there like this, you have 2 options. You can use tweezers, which isn't great, or you can do what I did. I just put filament in and pushed it through, and that let me push the white filament out of the tube. And here's our culprit. It's a little tiny piece of white filament, but we got it. To put it back together, just make sure to do all of those steps in reverse. And when you go to put the tray back in, make sure to bend that plunger in a little bit just so it fits. And reattach the back tube. And that's it. Here it is printing. This is printing a phone tripod, so that way my camera isn't as shaky. So anyway, that's going to do it for the tutorial. If you liked it, like and subscribe, do all that cool stuff, and yeah, thanks for hanging out with me.